I love eggs. Today, I am going to use hard-boiled eggs to make an egg salad for sandwiches or to eat as a dip for crackers. You can see how I made these hard-boiled eggs for this recipe on my channel This Meal This Time. I will place a link in the description below. Eggs have a long history as being one of the most used items in one's kitchen. I read that ancient Egyptians and the Romans used eggs in their cakes and breads as a binding agent. I think it is safe to say that on any cooking show, you will see professional chefs use eggs as an excellent source of protein to add to a variety of dishes. For my egg salad, I chopped up 4 hard-boiled eggs and put them in a mixing bowl. I also chopped up 1 large celery stalk and added it to the bowl with the chopped eggs. Then, I am adding about a half of a cup of basic mayonnaise. I will stir the ingredients and season them with salt and pepper. I will transfer the salad to another bowl. This will be covered with plastic wrap to chill for an hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. There it is. Very simple and delicious. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.